Good morning, traders. How are you all doing today? Today is January 6th, 2025. Market opens in just a couple of minutes. So give me a minute to share our link and spread our video around to the masses. That way we can get everyone here today, starting a new year, a new challenge. And I'm excited. Excited to be here with you all. Bam, bam. New year, new channel, or not new channel, new start, new beginning, right? So today we're looking at SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. Looks like it'd give me the most benefit here, the most potential. Sharing that link. Let's go ahead and do it again here. Everyone in the Discord. Bam. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to another live day trading session. We have a ton of members, over 70,000 members in the Facebook community. Over 200 now strong in our Discord, which is amazing, guys. We started this with one, me, numero uno, many years ago. So it's nice to start getting some traction finally. Okay. All right, market opens in just a couple of minutes. Sound is still very bullish, staying above the line that we want it to be above. Oh, never mind. It just dropped. Now turning into a bearish. Very bearish. See if we can hold that support at 2057. Pre-market and after hours support here. If it can, we'll have a nice little window from 2050 to about 2186, giving us about $1 per share. So let's see how that plays out. Hope you guys are all having a great day. And I have a series of helpful videos coming out as well. If anyone feels a little lost during this, if anyone feels lost during this interview, oh my gosh, during this live stream, then they can go back and check out past morning live streams. They can check out our Learn to Earn lesson at library, where I talk about all of this stuff, indicators, moving averages, key levels, etc. So looking at SoFi, I was going to see if we can catch maybe a nice pop on SoFi here, maybe from 1522 to maybe 1565, maybe even a little higher than that on SoFi, but I haven't really seen anything happening just yet besides it staying above that pre-market support. Okay, we can put that support level in right there. GEVO has a wall right there at about $3.03, so we're going to need to get above that for it to make higher highs. GEVO. Sound selling off slightly. Piton not doing much either. It's on that higher end above the EMA level here. XPEV also selling off a little bit, still above that moving average. We get 40 shares at 11 and 100 shares at 11. I mean, that'd be pretty significant. SQQQ selling off as it should. The markets are actually going up, and the markets are now open. QQQ pushing up. We really want to pay attention to the first 30 minutes of the market, guys, so we can get a sense of direction. As you can see, SoFi selling off. GEVO going to be testing that moving average. Sound, let's see if we can get a nice retracement from Sound. Oh, what alert was that? Messages. Was it Sound just now? 529 price alerts. Okay, sound retesting. Can it hold? Doesn't look like it. SOFI selling off. GEVO. Nice pullback. People buying the dip at 286. XPEV is pushing up. Let's see. Let's take a look here. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys can hear me okay, see me okay. Also, there is a free Discord where you can watch me trade live every single day by either subscribing to the YouTube channel and or joining our free Discord. That's where you'll get all my live updates and trade ideas after I am no longer live. 286 to 3. 20 cents a share. That's not very much. It's very bullish though. Sound pushing up just like we thought it would. SQQQ selling off. Piton pushing up. Yeah, I think sound would have been the play, buying at the 2050s. XPEV. That's what keeps going off my alert. Sorry for that. That wasn't too loud. Yep, this would have been the play right there, literally at support. 2050. It's already up to 2130. 2050 to 2186. What a move. 920 to 950. SQQQ still selling off. What's Bitcoin doing? Not doing much either, guys. Bitcoin testing that 99,000 again. Getting rejected. QQQ pushing up, which means TQQ is very bullish. Not trading any of those today. Lunar selling off back to that moving average, 2170 to 2250, 22. I'm trying to find a good trade, guys. SMCI is already up $1, $2, $3. 35 to 36. Oh man, SMCI pushing up like crazy right now. Sound, there it is. There's our dollar. Dang it. I was even watching it, man. I turned away for a second and it pushed up. This all happened in a 1-2 minute candle. 2-minute candle. In 1 minute it pushed up. Dang, that was beautiful. What a beautiful move right there. From 2050 to 2166, a 5% profit, $1 per share in less than 1 minute. In less than 1 freaking minute, guys. Keep getting an alert for NNOX. Oh yeah, it pushed up too. From 950 to 10. Well, 40% in 4 days. Even our weekly watch list, SMCI up 17% and pushing. Tesla up a significant amount and pushing. MU up a huge amount, 18%, pushing up very nicely. Mara testing the waters. Lunar testing still. I did it. That was the move, guys. That was our trade for today. 6%, $1.30. That was the trade. And I missed it, but that's okay, because sometimes you don't want to trade right at market open. Sometimes you want to trade 30 minutes after you have clear direction, right? Markets are overbought now. Slightly more. Could we see a possible rejection here? Wow. That was the trade today, guys. SoFi maybe 15 to 1565, 280 to 3. But sound, that was it. That was it, guys. That was the move. Oh man, I set myself up for success this morning. I got up early, was up an hour before the market opened. I was charting and plotting and looking at all the different key levels. And yeah. Now it's testing that resistance. You know what I mean? It's way too risky now. Way too risky. Beautiful move, guys. I mean, if it breaks 22, I might just have to get in. If it breaks 22, I might just have to get in, guys. No, it's too overbought. Well, it's above that moving average now. There it is. It broke 22. Still very bullish. Very risky trade here, guys. We already missed the entire move. The entire leg up we moved, okay? But it doesn't mean this can't move literally from 20 to 25. That's what it did in the last time. From 20 to 25 or 24% profit in a single day. Can this do it again? I don't know. I think we got in way too high. Hello, hello. Smash that like button for me if you haven't already. Okay, big reversal forming. Where's my level 2? Oh, yeah. I moved it out. There we go. Like, where's my level 2s at? Right there. There we go. Gonna buy another 10 shares. 21.88. What's my average? How do you move this thing? Average 21.97. 21.97. There we go. Pushing, retesting that area. AMAT. Let me know if those alerts are too loud. I can get rid of them. AMAT hitting our alert here. Okay, maybe we'll still be able to get a little profit here. That would have been a beautiful move though, guys. That's why it's important to not watch too many companies. I think even, what is that, 10? 10 is too many. think 5 was a good number, and even 5 was too many to look at, right? There we go. Sound still pushing. Up 8.5%. $1.76 per share. So if I would have went in with 20 shares at the beginning, we'd already be up like 20 to 30, almost $40 right now. But sound still very, very bullish. Very bullish. Super trend is indicating that it is a buy, that it is bullish, right? It's one great thing about the super trend. And I'm excited that we could still take this trade. Now becoming a strong support level. How high up can this really get? It can go up to 22.80s, 23s. You could test $23 again. I feel like that's a strong area of support, of resistance. All right, guys, this is exciting. This is exciting. So moving forward, we are starting another $500 challenge, where at the beginning of the year, every new year, I think moving forward, this is what we're going to do. We're going to set up a cash account, pull all of our money out that we profited from the year before, and we are going to start fresh with $500. I like to start with $500. It seems realistic, a little bit more realistic to many people than say 2,000 or 5,000. So we're going to start with 500, guys, and you guys can follow along with me. Fund your account, get a WEBULL account, fund it, or whatever account you use, Robinhood, whatever, and follow along, and we'll grow that account together, guys. I grew this last account from $500 to well over $10,000 in a single year. I was aiming for 20,000, 25,000 to be more specific, but we got about halfway there. So this year, we're going to do it again. All right, we're up, what, 10 bucks, 8 bucks, 2% on the day. See if we catch a pullback. $22.17, $22.20. Go right here. It's gonna add a couple more. We're at $489, okay, in market value. We got another 20 on the table to buy, but we don't have, it's $19, so this would have to come to 19 to purchase it, right? We're gonna wait for this to push up just a little bit more, and then we're gonna lock in some profits, guys. There we go. And this is very risky. What I should have done better yet was, you know, well, you don't really want to wait, because I would have missed out on another. I already missed out on 6%. I don't want to miss out on another 3. All right, if I can get 3%, we're golden. We're gonna go ahead and sell 10 here at $22.50. We seem to be getting a lot of resistance. Oh, here we go. Up to that $23 level now, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. $22.64, $22.65. We're gonna go ahead and sell at $22.60. 10. There it is. Okay, we just sold 10 there. be patient, see what happens. Gonna push up even higher. There we go. This would have been an amazing move, guys, if I would have caught it from the bottom. $2.50, 11% profit. It just came up on the alerts on Robinhood and WEBULL that sound is up 10%. So we might see some people jump in now and start shorting it. We might see people jump in and start going long on it. Okay, I'm excited to see what happens in the next couple of minutes. Up 3% in the first 15 minutes. And again, you know, 20 shares at $2.50 would have been close to 50 bucks. Would have been $50 right now on the day with a $500 account. That was what I was planning on making today as a challenge to myself. And, well, the trade was there. The idea was there. But the actual execution, I lost a little bit on the execution. See, we're going to start getting some shorts coming in, possibly. $20.50. Get some buyers coming back in, maybe. There we go. Dip it pops a little bit. This is probably showcasing our EMA. Let's see if we go to indicators, EMA, settings. I'm pretty sure I have a 9 that I use. Use a 15 a lot too, but a 9 seems to be more accurate for this one. Yeah, see that? How it's following this 9 EMA and it keeps testing it, keeps bouncing off of it. That's good. That's what we want to see. Super trend still indicating signs of it being bullish, still above the VWAP. All good things here. We're going to sell again. We're going to get a limit order ready. 2275. So 10 at 2275. Chart settings. Let's see, open positions, open orders. We could show my trades, guys. There you go. I didn't realize those were off. There we go. Are we gonna get a sell? 2275. That's what I'm looking for. Should give us about 3% exactly on the day. And 2 or 3% is amazing. Most people can't break even or even make 1% a day, much less 1% a year. So very beautiful trade was made today. There we go. It's going to test this 9 EMA one more time. Shorts are starting to step in, and you are starting to see signs of weakness here. 2275. Come on, baby. Here we go. We're gonna get it. Starting to curl over. The MACD is curling over. RSI is overbought, indicating some weakness beginning to form. We're gonna get out at 2150. Yeah. 2243. Come on. Sell it out. There we go. We sold at 2235, guys. 2235. Gave back about $3 from 2235 to 2276. That's insane, right? So this would have been the areas to buy, guys. 2060s, 2090, 21 even, to make $1.50, $1.70, $2.50 per share. Okay, great trade, guys. I'm not upset about it. 10% profit in a single day, $2 per share. We were able to capture almost 3% of it. We were able to capture about 2%. So not too bad, not too bad. And this is what you guys can look forward to seeing as time goes on, more and more. All right, we're gonna get out of this one. Starting to sell off. Ooh, had to get out so we could lock in that $10. There we go, guys. So that was our trade. It would have been a lot nicer to lock in $40, $50 on the very first day of the challenge. But nonetheless, we were able to identify the trade plan that would have given us that profit. We were able to trade it a little bit as it crossed above that resistance level and retest, showing signs of it being bullish. And yeah, we were able to lock in $10. $10 is 2%. And guys, that is a really good number. 2% a day with a higher account size can really benefit you tremendously in the future, right? 2% on 1,000 is $20, but 2% on 10,000 is $200, okay? $200. So we want to learn how to make money first and then increase our position size, our account size, so that way we can make more profits, but also limit our risk, have good risk management by implementing those into today's, trading sessions, learning, growing, and then when you're ready, making those big $100, $200 days. But it starts right here, guys. This is what I really wanted to showcase in the live stream this morning was you can trade with a very small amount of money, okay? $500 is not a lot, and it can be a lot to some people. So I don't want you to get discouraged, but start somewhere. Start with $20, start with $50, start with $100, whatever you're comfortable with starting, and then slowly add to that week after week, month after month. Maybe you have to add your hard-earned money into that account, or maybe you're simply waiting every month. Maybe you're getting $10 a day and you're adding $50 a week. By the end of the month, that's an extra $200 you added to your $500 account. Now in the next month, in February, maybe you're starting with $700 or $800, or maybe you get to your $1,000 goal by February, so you can trade more. And the more you learn now, the easier and easier it'll get for you later. So 22.35, 22.36. I got a little scared that it was gonna start selling off dramatically, so I got out. But if I would have held on to even just those 12 shares, we'd be back up to like that $13 mark, about 3%. So I'm not a perfect trader, but again, with showing up every day, being consistent, and practicing, I will become a better trader, and I know you can too. So locking in $10 today. I think there's a way to show it here. Let's see. Yeah, right there, guys, right there. $10. Realize 10, 1%. So it only made 1.25%. What's that like? That's like nothing. I'm pretty sure $10 is 2% of $500, so I'm not sure why it's saying 1.25% like that. Interesting. Either way, sound pushing up to 2260. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Appreciate you guys' time. I have a new video on what is the PDT rule and how you can actually trade under it, right? So if you have less than $25,000, you can only trade 3 day trades, 4 day trades technically in a 5-day period. using a margin account. But with a cash account, the way I'm using this cash account, you can trade all your money every single day 5 times a week. So that's 5 day trades a week. Now get this, say you have $1,000. We just took a $500 trade. That means I could take 2 $500 trades with a $1,000 account. Each day giving me 10 day trades a week, by far eliminating the PDT rule for anyone who is under the $25,000 mark. And I have a video talking about exactly that. So do me a favor and check it out. All right, all right. Well, I think it was a really good session, guys. Usually we run about 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes. You guys have any questions, comments, concerns? SMCI with a nice push up today. Another 10% move, $3.40. Tesla not doing much. MU pushing up beautifully from 94 to 99 for another 5%. And if we could find these 5 to 10% positions, these trades every single day, imagine taking a 10% trade with a 10% position size. You would make 1% a day. And you'd be limiting your risk exposure by not trading your entire account size, right? Does that make sense? I hope it does. Even 5% is beautiful. Mara. I'm only 30 minutes into the market, guys. So this is what makes it so appealing. There we go. Bitcoin pushing above $99,000 finally for once. That means Mars should continue to push up. Doesn't mean it has to, but Bitcoin has pushed above that $100,000 mark. All right, looking good. How's QQQ doing? Bullish. Okay, so the NASDAQ market is bullish starting out today. Doesn't mean we can't get a quick change of direction and potentially invest in SQQQ for a nice retracement back to that 200-day moving average around 29.50 for about a 3 to 4% profit. There is money to be made everywhere in the stock market. The biggest part is identifying opportunity cost for one, right? We want to make sure that we get a bang for our buck. 2 is direction is in our favor, and 3 are key levels such as support and resistance, and identifying what side is it trading on the moving averages. Is it below the moving averages? Then it's probably bearish. It's going to be selling off. Is it above the moving average? If it is, then it's probably going to be very bullish for quite some time. So I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. This could touch easily to this resistance and get rejected again, setting us up for a very nice 7% profit on TQQQ. And then once SQQQ sells off down to this level, we can get on this and sell and buy and sell for a nice 10% profit. So I love when the markets are volatile like this. It creates opportunity for everyone, not only long investors but also short investors. Okay, we can all make money, we can all be right, we can all have great trading strategies, but if you're not making money or at least breaking even, then you're doing exactly what 90% of other people are doing. Okay, and we want to flip that. We want to flip the script. We don't want you to lose your money. We want you to make money. It takes you a lot of hours and a lot of hard work to make that money. So let's make sure that we do an easier job, less stress, less headache, by doubling that money over time. Okay, we don't have to work hard for money anymore, guys. We're in a new age. We're in a new age. This is a new world. We don't have to work hard for money. Now I've worked hard my whole life, and finally I don't have to as much anymore. But we all start somewhere. And that's what I want to leave you guys with on the live stream. It's 8 o'clock. Go do something fun. Get outside. Go exploring. Hit the mountains. Do something exciting, because I will actually be going through a surgery, and I will be laid up in a bed for about a week or two. So go live life and be grateful every day for your health, your safety, and the ability to do exactly this, guys. trade in the stock market, make money, have fun while we're doing it, and then go enjoy the rest of our day, not stressed and worried about bills, etc., etc. So appreciate your guys' time. Like always, remember to smash that like button, and we will see you all potentially in tomorrow morning's live stream, if they don't have me go in first thing in the morning. But I tell you what, this, like after day 1 or 2 of being in surgery, if I'm feeling good, I'm gonna be right back here with you guys trading. Okay, so give me a day or two, and I might even be on tomorrow. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I'll keep you guys all updated in the Discord. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or want to reach out to me, you can find me in our free Discord. Thank you. Have a great day. Major, best of luck on the surgery. Thank you, Major. I appreciate that. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you all later.